This is Stick and Stone by Beth Ferry, illustrated by Tom Lichtenheld. Stick, stone, lonely, alone, a 0, a 1. Alone is no fun. Stick, stone, along comes pine cone. Makes fun of stone. Won't leave him alone. Vanish, says Stick. His word does the trick. Stone whispers, "Gee, you stuck up for me." That's just what sticks do. Friends do it too. Stick, stone, no longer alone. Stick, stone, a friendship has grown. They wander, explore, laze by the shore. Then thunder and rain. Boom, a loud hurricane. Stick is windblown. There goes Pinecone. Hold on, calls out Stone. Again, he's alone. Search day. Stick, stick, stick. And search night. No stick in sight. What's this? A huge puddle. Stick stuck in the muddle. Help! Stone rescues him quick. Kersploosh! You rock, Stone, says Stick. That's just what stones do. Best friendship rocks too. Stick, stone, together again. Stick, stone, a perfect 10. That was Stick and Stone by Beth Ferry, published by Houghton Mifflin Harcourt Books. Thank you for listening.